Hello, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be talking about the Aputure MC. I've been using the AL-M9, which is kind of like the smaller version. It only has a single color, just on and off, and then you can color it using gels that kind of magnetize on. I've been using this for the better part of the past year. It works great. I just want to use something now that adds a little bit more color. So I went ahead and I grabbed the Aputure MC and the Aputure BC7 to kind of add a little bit more color variety, to add more options. I plan on replacing that bulb back there with the BC7. I can use the MC how you see it right now, filling up that purple in the corner. So the MC actually comes in a fairly large box, a lot bigger than I thought it would given the light isn't huge. So when you open it up, you are immediately greeted by the light. We'll put that to the side right now, we'll talk about it in just a minute. And then underneath that you have this little divider that you can just go ahead and pull off. Underneath that divider you'll find this carrying case for the light. This is a pretty nice case, like that they include the carabiner. The zippers feel good. So inside the case you have the pocket where the light will go, it's empty right now. And then you have this second larger pocket. And in here you have two pieces of Velcro. So it's nice that they include the Velcro in the box, since the light does have a magnet in the back so you can stick it to metal objects, but if you don't have something metal you can go ahead and put this Velcro on there and kind of attach the light using that. You'll find this diffusion cover for the MC, you can put it on there for a more diffuse light, and the USB-C cable. Another thing to mention is that it comes with a USB-C charger, but this light also supports wireless charging. My wireless charger is currently broken, so I can't test it out right now. I'll be sure to try that out in the future. So looking at the light itself, you have two main pieces of control. You have the power button and the dial. I do like this power button. It is super satisfying to click on and off. And then the dial is how you control the light if you don't want to use their Link app and control it via Bluetooth. And then over on the other side you have this little screen that gives you information on what the light currently is outputting for the hue, saturation, intensity, or just what color or what effects you're using. On the bottom opposite the screen you have a 1/4-20 thread, which is nice, so you can screw it onto, like for example, this small tripod and use it as a stand to direct the light a little better. That's pretty much it for the light itself. Let's move into the Link app. So you can connect your light via Bluetooth and you have all of the controls available on your phone itself. Personally, I prefer the app since I find it easier to pull out my phone than click through the dial like 30 times to find the option I'm looking for. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this little light. It's fairly bright, and as you can see, it does fill out that corner pretty well. It's only at 70% intensity right now, so if I turn it up to 100, just using the app, you can see it does get pretty bright back there. And go ahead and change the color to try and match that blue, like a little complementary red. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got to see a little bit more about the MC. If you want to see how this gets used in future projects, be sure to subscribe down below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, that helps out. I'll see you in the next video.